Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Virgo, po na mensahe ninyo, your loved ones are safe. Kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? Let go of your fear and worry for your loved ones. I am looking after them. Yan ang promise sa inyo ni Archangel Michael. Kaya i-release nyo na yung takot. I-release nyo na yung pag-aalala para sa mga mahal ninyo sa buhay. Kasi Archangel Michael is assuring you na siya nang bahala. Binabantayan niya ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Okay? Maaaring nasa malayong lugar ang iba sa inyo, no? Dito Virgo. At siguro malayo kayo sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay, sa mga anak ninyo, sa mga magulang ninyo. Kaya masyado kayong nag-aalala. We have your vibration is rising. This is a time of great spiritual growth. For you, you are evolving to occupy a higher energetic frequency. This is really a very, a beautiful blessing para sa iyo, no? Siguro, mas, kayo ngayon, mas, maraming excitement kayo nararamdaman, masaya, yung ganun. Kaya, siguro, there are a lot of positive things happening sa buhay ninyo, kaya your vibration is rising. We have stepped into the spotlight. Yeah, magiging sikat si Virgo. You have a message that the world needs to hear. It's time to share your wisdom. At you're being asked here, no? You're being advised here to step into your spotlight, step into your power. Siguro, marami na kayong natutunan, marami na kayong alam sa buhay, kaya maybe yung purpose din ninyo sa ngayon or your mission in life sa ngayon is to share that, no? Yung mga lessons learned ninyo, yung wisdom ninyo, no? Maaring yan ay kailangan ninyong i-share sa mundo, i-share sa maraming tao to inspire them, no? Yung ganon. So this is really a beautiful panawagan para sa inyo, no? Virgo, this could be your mission in life right at this time. Baka isa kayong influencer, baka motivational speaker kayo, life coach, mentor, spiritual guide, spiritual counselor, maaaring along those lines, no, ang ginagawa ninyo or yung magiging trabaho ninyo. Trust in divine purpose. This experience has divine meaning. Healing will come. Know that you are on a path of growth. So this is really a beautiful reminder para sa inyo na ito ngayon yung path na tatahakin ninyo, Virgo, no? Kung meron man kayong mga iniindang sakit sa katawan, emotional wounds, emotional baggages, no, don't worry, healing will come at mababago ang inyong sitwasyon for the better, no? Mababago ang sitwasyon for the better and your vibration will rise kasi dadalhin kayo ng universe ngayon sa higher energetic frequency, no? At you will be feeling excited, marami kayong parang you will be feeling inspired sa ngayon, motivated, and with that, you'll be able to embrace, no, the divine purpose sa ngayon. You'll be able to carry out your mission sa ngayon sa buhay that you're being called to do. This is a blessing in disguise. Yeah, be patient and have faith that your angels have this situation under control. What will come is far better than you dared to dream. Ayan, so kahit ang mga ina-expect ninyo, siguro mga pinagdadasal ninyo, hindi nangyayari according to your will, or hindi nangyayari according to your plan, huwag kayong mag-alala because something way better than what you are expecting or what you're asking for is about to unfold. Diba? Kasi nga, lagi-lagi, kung ano ang best para sa atin, kung ano yung makakabuti para sa atin, kung ano yung will support our highest good. Yun ang pinapadala sa atin ng universe. 'Di ba? So, tignan natin kung ano pa. We have, don't settle for less. You are a child of the divine and you deserve to have your dreams come true. So, don't give up. Ayan, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Even if yung mga minimithi ninyo hindi nangyayari, even if yung uh, mga hinihingi ninyo hindi dumadating, because there is something way better than you are expecting na parating, no? Kaya huwag kayong sumuko, no? Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Continue to work on whatever it is that you are working on. Kaya nga ang mahalaga, dapat lagi tayong nakikinig sa ating intuition. Kasi yung intuition natin, that is guidance sa atin ng divine universe. And dyan natin makukuha, no? Kung ano yung dapat natin gawin, dyan natin maririnig, dyan natin ma-access, no? At malalaman natin kung ano yung path na dapat nating tahakin at this time, no? Or at a certain time. Kaya, kailangan lang natin na lagi tayong mag-tune in sa ating intuition. Follow that, no? Do it kung anong sinasabi ng intuition. At pasasaan ba at makakarating kayo doon sa kung saan kayo dapat makarating. Okay? We have open up to your spiritual gifts. Remember that your true nature is spiritual and not physical. The angels are sending you messages to guide your soul's growth. Ayan, kaya importante na lagi tayong nakikinig sa ating intuition, lagi tayong mag-pay attention sa mga signs, symbols, and synchronicities na nakikita natin, because that is going to open up, no, our spiritual gifts, Virgo. Maaari din na ang iba sa inyo dito, no, maybe you are going to embrace your spiritual gifts because you are being called now, 'di ba, to carry out your mission, at gagamitin ninyo ang mga gifts ninyo in order for you to magawa ninyo kung ano yung pinapanawagan na sa inyong gawin ng universe. What else? We have regain your focus. Trivial life matters are distracting you from your goals. Archangel Metatron and I are here to help you stay grounded. Ayan, so nagtutulungan or magtutulungan ngayon si Archangel Michael and Archangel Metatron, to help you stay grounded. Kasi maaaring may mga distractions ngayon sa inyong paligid at maaaring makuha nito ang inyong atensyon. Kaya tutulungan ka ng dalawang archangels na to ground yourself, to remain focused, no, sa inyong mission. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.